Very good evening, students. Welcome you all to Jatadhara Educational Technology Program. And this is for the coaching classes for Nmms exam 2024-25. So today's topic is mental ability. Yes. Now let's move on to the topic. All right. So here you can find a set of numbers. Now in this, you need to find out what is the next number. Yes. So this is not going to be in a consecutive series or in a chronological one, but some hidden fact would be there in which we need to find out what is the relationship between the first and the second number, the second and the third number, and finally what could be the last one that they had asked. If that is after 37, what should be the number? All right. Yes. So 4 options is given. The first option is 48, 50, 49 or 51. Yes. Now being this first sum, let's do, in detail. The answer for this is 50. That is after 37, your next amount must be 50. Let's see how answer 50 is coming. Yeah. See here. Now the relation between the first and the second number is 2 plus 3 is 5, isn't it? And see the relation between the second and the third number. That is 5. If you add 5, you're getting 10. Likewise, see the third number, you have 10. So if you add 7, you are getting 17, right? Similarly, see the next one, 17. Right. Just a second, let me do it for you. Yes, so now we have taken 2, 5, 10. Now, see here, 17 plus, if you add what, you are getting 26. 9. See how the number goes. It is a odd number, isn't it? So 3, 5, 7, 9. Likewise, it goes. So what is the next one? 26. If you add what to 26, you will get 37. 11. See, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. All right. Similarly, if you add what to 36, what to 37, you will get what? Okay, because the next number is not there. But you know this series. You know this, right? So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. What is the next odd number? It should be 13. That is how it has been explained very clearly here. So with 37, if you add the next odd number 13, we get 50. That is why your option 2 is being chosen, and that is the correct answer as well. All right, with this understanding, let's move on to the next question. We have 23, 45, 89, 177 and dash. Okay, so 1 minute can be given to you all to quickly find out, because we've been doing a lot of mental ability sums. So I'm sure this must be very easy to you all. Let's try. All right, so you need to tell what comes after 177. Yes, so your 1 minute is already started. Giving 1 full minute being the first sum. The next following sums would not take so much time. So you need to find out, I can give you a clue. You need to find out the relation between the first number and the second number, and whether this, and the relation between the second number and the third number, and whether the same connectivity can be used for the fourth number also. If yes, then with the same connectivity, you can find out the next number. All right. Yes, almost 1 minute is going to end. Let's check the answer. Your answer must be 353. How? If you add what number to 23, you will get 45. So if you add 22, isn't it? If you add 22 to 23, you get 45, right? See the next one. If you add what number to 45, you get 89. If you add 44, right? Likewise, To 89, if you add what, you will get 177. If you add 88, isn't it? Right. So now similarly, 177 plus what will give you the next number? So it is into 2, likewise into 2. So 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16 plus 170. In other words, the double. Right. So 177 plus 176 should give you 353. That is why option 3 has been chosen as the correct answer. All right, students? Yes. Now, let's move on to the next question. We have 15, we have 15, we have 30, 90, 360. Right? So, much time cannot be given because we have to do the other sums also. Very interesting sums are coming ahead. So, try to quickly find out what is the connection between the first and the second, second and the third and the fourth, fourth and the fifth, and whether the same connection could be used to get the last number. That is a question mark number. Yes. So you need to basically make a strategy, especially when it comes to mental ability. All right, let's see the answer. It should be 1800. How? See here, 15 ones are 50. See how easily the answer is coming, isn't it? 15 twos are 30. Okay. Next, you are bringing 30 here. 30 into 3 is 90. You are bringing 90 here. Yes. Let me explain it so that you will understand. See here. 15 into 1 is 15. This 15 you are bringing here. This 30 you are bringing here. This 90 you are bringing here. This 360 you are bringing here. That is how you are getting 1800, which is a fourth option. And this should be in the chronological order. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. With the same understanding, let's move on to the next sum. We have 43, 34, 27, 22, 19, and dash. Yes. Quickly, let's find out what should be the next number. 43, 34, 27, 22, 19. Yes. I'm sure you will be at least try to trace how it has to be done, isn't it? Yes. So not more than 30 seconds can be given for such questions. So mental abilities usually require our good skill of connectivity. All right. Now let's disclose the answer. The answer is 18. How? The relation between the second and the first number is -9. Third and the second number is -7. Then fourth and the third number is -5. Then the fifth and the fourth number is -3. So next must be what? Isn't it? So it is coming in the reverse odd number 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Right? So what if you minus 19? You will get -1. Yes. So it should be 18 minus 19 will give you -1. That is how you have chosen the option as 18. All right. Yes. So if you would like to take down, please take it down quickly so that whenever you find time, again, you can work out these questions. These questions are all the more very important and they are taken from your past question papers only for a good practice. All right. So therefore, the missing number in the sequence is 18. See the next question. We have 5, 7, 20, 21, 80, 63, dash, and 189. Yes. So quickly find out what is the difference. What is the difference between the first and the second number and what is the connectivity so that you can find out the question marked answer. Yes. So not more than 30 seconds can be taken for such question. because usually these questions require very less time so that we can concentrate on, a little more conceptual sums. All right, let's see. The answer is 320. How? Two alternating series. Yes, so this you really need to understand. 5 into 4 is 20. 7 into 3 is 21. Okay, so let me explain it. See, you're getting the connection between this and this. 5 into 4. Likewise, 7 into 3. Yes, is it clear? Yes, see the next one. 20 into 4. Likewise, see, likewise, 20 into 4 is 80. Right? Like up then, what should be the question marked one? 80 into 4, isn't it? So that is why 320. Yes, so I'm sure it should have been very simple to you. And you can check the alternative also. 80 into 4 is 320. Likewise, 63 into 3 is 189. That is clear because answer is given. Yes, fine. With the same level of understanding, let's move on to the next sum. You have 1, 9, 25, 49, dash, 121, 169. It's very simple. I'm sure you all will be able to find out the answer for this, isn't it? Yes, you can do it. See how it follows. Right? So it should be yes, isn't it? So hardly takes 1 minute, not even a minute, few seconds. Because the series is formed by taking the squares of the odd numbers. Starting from 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7, 1, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, like that. Okay? Yes. See the next question. We have 97, 98, 100, 103, dash, 112, 118. All right? So let's see what is a question marked one. What could be the answer? Yes. So the same thing, try to find out the connectivity. Yes, I'm sure you'll be able to do. Not much time can be taken for such questions. Let's see the answer. It is 107. How? 97 plus 1 is 98. 98 plus 2 is 100. 100 plus 3 is 103. Obviously, 103 plus 4 must be 107. Because you are adding in the chronological order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 107 plus 5 is 112. Okay, so 112 plus 6 is 118. So it is perfect. So whatever you have figured out, 107 is the correct answer. All right, let's see the next question. 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and dash. Yes, students, so not much time can be taken for this. It's very simple. So it's an odd number. All right, so that clue can be given to you. It's very much an odd number. All right, I'm sure you would have chosen 29. The next number in the series is 29. How? The series is a list of prime numbers and 29 is the next prime number after 23. Of course, with an odd number as well. Right? So 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. All right. Yes. See the next question. 28, 34, 45, 51, 62, dash 79. Yes. What could be the next question marked number? Very simple. Only thing is you need to find out the connectivity. So not more than 30 seconds can be given for such sums. So it's better that quickly we do it, isn't it? All right, let's disclose the answer. It is 68. How? 28 plus 6 is 34. 34 plus dash is 45 is 11. Okay. Next, 45 plus 6 is 51. 51 plus 11 is 62. So 62 plus 6 must be 68 because 68 plus 11 is 79. So you can just cross check before you choose your answer. Right. So now here, if you have chosen 68, you need to know whether the answer is correct, isn't it? So 68, you add that with 11 and find out whether the next number 79 is coming. Yes, it is coming. So your answer is right. All right. See the next question. We have 5, 6, 10, 19, 35, dash 96. All right. Yes. Let's see whether we are able to quickly do it. All right. Let's check. Not more time can be given. All right. Let's see. The answer is 60. How? The given sequence is 5, 6, 10, 19, 35. To find the pattern, let's calculate the difference between the two consecutive terms. 6 minus 5 is 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. 19 minus 10 is 9. Okay. 35 minus 19 is 16. So, dash minus 35 must be what? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. It should be 25. Isn't it? So, dash minus 35 is 25. Means what should be the number? It should be 60 minus 35 should be 25. That is why we have opted for 60. Yes, very interesting, isn't it? All right. Now with this sum, we are completing the missing numbers. If possible, again, revisions will be done based on such questions. Now we are moving on to another type of questions in which we have to find the figure in which the question figure is present or hidden. Right. So here you can see the question figure. Right. Find out in which option the question figure is present. You have option A, option B, option C, option D. Right. So being the first sum, see this figure is like this. Okay. The only clue is it has this kind of line. So here it doesn't have. Yes. So here it has. Here it doesn't have. And here it doesn't have. So now in this, let's see whether it is there. You have this line. You have this. You have this. You have this. So all the more option B could be your right answer. Let's check the answer. Yes. This is how the answer must be checked, right? So whatever is the question, that question is somewhere hidden in one of the four answer figures. So you should find out which is the correct answer. All right. So with this, we are moving on to the next question, right? So the question figure is here. So we have A, B, C, and D. I'm sure this is very easy. Within 10 seconds, you'll be able to give me the answer, right? How? This kind of the reverse side of A is there in this, right? Anywhere it is there? This is not there. This is absolutely not there. This could be there, but this line is not there. Okay, that this line is not there. Okay, so this cannot be. So all the more your answer could be option D. Let's check the answer. Yes, it is D. So figure D is the correct answer. All right, now let's move on to the next question. Find out in which option question figure is present. Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? So less than 30 seconds can be given for such questions, students. Not more than that should be taken. So it's very clear. In only one option, this you can find out. This is not at all a confusing question. All right, all the more it is option C, right? So I'm sure you'll be able to find out now. Figure C is the right answer. See the next question, right? So here you have option A, which could be the answer. We don't know. Option B, option C, option D, right? So again, this is not at all a confusing question. So less than 30 seconds must be considered for such question. All right. Yes. Your time is almost done. Let's check the answer. It is option A. All right. Let's see the next question. You have F, inverted F, or slightly inverted, slightly moved F. So where do you find? Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Yes. This is also a very simple question where not at all it is confusing. Let's see, the answer is C. You might think of A, but it has been, I mean, A could not be the answer because the F that it contains, the gap between, let me explain it. Though it is being colored, see the gap you cannot find in this, isn't it? The gap here is more, the gap here is less. So that is why option A could not be the right answer. But here, this gap is perfect. So with this, you can choose option C to be the correct answer. Yes. All right. Now see the next figure, your question figure, and correspondingly, you need to find out in which option question figure is present. Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Yes, this is also not at all a confusing question. Very simple. I'm sure you will be able to find out. Less than 30 seconds can be taken, not more than that. All right, because since it's a very straight question, so we should be able to answer these kind of straight questions within very less time. All right, your option should be B. All right, because this sleeping line, standing line, and again sleeping line, only in option B it is there, not in A, C, and D. Yes, yes. Now see, this is also very interesting. Beautiful diagrams. Your question figure shows one pattern. You need to find out in which one does this pattern contains. Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? It's very much visible, your question in the answer figure, right? Yes. So less than 30 seconds can be taken, not more than that. Let's see how many of you are able to give the correct answer. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Yes, let's see. It is option B because this kind, how? So only this it is there, right? So in no other figures you are able to find out. Even in this it is not there. Even in this it is not there. Even in this it is not there. That is why option B is the correct answer. All right. Yes. Now we have the next one. Is it? Where do you find this is it? Yes. This can be little. This can be, little, what to say, not confusing, challenging. Let's see whether you're able to find out. Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Yes. Okay. Let's see. The answer is D. Yes. So I'm sure by now you would have understood how, though there is similarity between C and D, the distance has to be considered. Okay. The distance means here the distance. Right? With that, you can very easily trace out that option D is the correct answer. Yes. See the next question figure. So you need to tell us the question figure is in which of the answer figure. Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Yes. All right. Should be simple one. You need to think and then do it. That's it. You need to just think and do it. Yes. All right, let's disclose. It is option A because see here, you have like this, isn't it? Right? So like this you have here. Right? So that is why. And here no other place you have like this. Because you need, this kind of triangle up. It is not there. Here also it is not there. That is why your option A is the correct answer. If you would have chosen option A as the correct answer, then you're perfectly right. All right. Yes. See the next question. This is very simple, in fact. Your question figure, you need to find out in which question figure is, find out in which option question figure is present. Option 1, option 2, option 3, and obviously option 3 because the same kind of, this is there here. Nowhere else you can find. See here, the gap is more. So this cannot be. Here also the gap is more. Here it is almost ulta. Yes, so that is why option 3 must be the correct one. So figure C is the right answer. Yes. Now see the next question. Find out in which option question figure is present. Oh my God, this is very simple. It's a direct question where you just have to see and immediately click the answer. Isn't it? Yes, so not even 5 seconds should be given for such question. Let's see, the answer is B. You can see the same similar figure here. Right? Yes, see the next one. Your question figure is here. You need to find out which has the same kind of question figure. Yes, one clue can be given. See, it has one big triangle and another small triangle in the middle. So here you have one big, but you don't have triangle. And here also there is no triangle. Here you have triangle, but the small triangle is not here. Here you have one big triangle, okay? Then one small triangle. So your answer must be option D. Yes, it is. So figure D is the correct answer. So this is how we trace out. We'll find out which in which option question figure is present. All right. So I'm sure you would have enjoyed today's session, and thanks for your attention. Let's meet towards the uh, next class with a very interesting topic. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. Thank you.